With all three of these documents working together, it's what we call integrated comprehensive estate plan, you've eliminated this risk from your life. It's that simple. And sometimes it's helpful to assess this risk from a completely different perspective. If I told you your home had a 50% chance of burning down in a fire, would you make sure you had adequate fire insurance with those kind of odds? Well, guys, you have a roughly 50% chance of needing these documents before you pass. And here's the thing about these things. If you need them and you don't have them, it's too late. Once you lost legal capacity, you can't have these documents prepared. You're off to court. The time to do this planning is now when you have your wits about you. You know what's best for yourself, not a probate judge. You want to be able to make these decisions on who to put in charge of the money and who to put in charge of the medical from a position of strength when you have a chance to evaluate people and talk to them about it and see if they can handle the job. The time to do this kind of planning is now. And what you get with this is the peace of mind that comes with, look, I hope I don't ever need these documents, but if I do, I'm not going to have to force my family to have to go to court to get the legal authority to protect me. I'm putting them in place to be able to take over immediately without any delay. You really, if you think about it, you're giving yourself and your family a gift by doing it this way. You're giving them the power to protect you without forcing, and sometimes this stuff can happen in one heartbeat. You're off to court because something horrible's happened. You eliminate all that. And that's the peace of mind that comes with estate planning. That's about being prepared. Again, exercising our rights to opt out. That's how we do it.